was amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was trying out a new technique.
Cool. They'll think it's them. You'll know it's you. Have you joined the Squeeze Squad?
This is Noria, the first window air conditioner designed with you in mind. Noria is 40% smaller than standard air conditioners and less than 6 inches tall. Unlike typical window air conditioners, Noria lets you keep your view. Noria is smart. Using Android or iOS, users can control Noria remotely or set a schedule to save power when no one is home. Noria can bring fresh air into your home on those cool September nights. Not even central air can do that. You don't have to be a bodybuilder to install Noria. The lightweight frame is installed first, making secure installation a breeze. Other window air conditioners force you to hold a heavy, awkward object in place for minutes at a time. With Noria, installation is a one-person job. Storage is easy, allowing you to keep it under the bed when not needed. Noria, renew your view.
Sometimes we want to be in two places at once to have more time for true values. Imagine that a single device will bring more comfort, safety, and happiness into your life. Branto is a streamlined wireless device that offers a wide range of functions, right from the box. Finally, your loved ones living thousands of miles away can be as close to you as if you were sitting next to each other. Unique 360 rotating full HD camera, superior sound quality speakers and microphones let you achieve full presence effect. You want to be closer to your loved ones while you are away. Maybe your son needs help being home alone. Or almost at home, because Branto is self-powered and cellular connected. On the edge of the working day, you are always in a rush. You don't need to ride home to see how Nanny manages your little daughter. With Branto, it takes a few seconds to be at home. Tell Nanny how to dress up your child for a walk, and with the help of Branto bit sensors, you will know where the window is left open and have the nanny close it before they leave for a walk in the park. You can even amuse your dog. Turn on his favorite TV channel. Would you like your smart home meet you with a pleasant coolness after a long working day? Turn on your favorite music. With Branto, house tuning turns into pleasure. It is especially important for your kids to sleep well before a full weekend. When night comes, you can use Branto to stream a fairy tale to your child. Branto's soft light gives off a soothing glow, adding another layer of comfort and eliminating all your child's fears of the dark. Welcome to a brand new day. Have you ever been in urgent situations when your presence at the meeting, negotiation, or conference is vitally important? Being with your family far away from the city, you do not need to rush to the office anymore. Due to the full presence feature, you can see and hear each member and participate in the process. And in 1 second, you are again with your beloved wife and kids enjoying camping. While you are away, Branto is guarding peace at home and will immediately notify you of anything suspicious or cute. Create your own story.